If you want to replace audio files, the procedure is quite simple. Essentially, I've got a file here. Sounds like this. So I'm going to go and open up the audio bin, which you can either do from the Windows menu or just Command 3. Or I can right click on the file in the FMod session and go to Open Assets in Audio Bin. So that's also convenient if I have lots of files and I want to locate it quickly. And here's the file that I want, which is hi bram hi. And I want to replace that with this one. I can have them in the same bin if I want to, but if you're replacing files, it's probably easier to have a replacement file folder if you have lots of files just to keep track of things. After this, I'll simply go and right click on the file that I want to replace, go replace with, find the files that I want to replace, click on that one, and boom. And that's it.